Hey guys, it's Frances. Welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me in my happy planner for the first week of April. Before I get started, I kind of want to show you how last week was. This video is up on my channel. If you've not seen it, I will link it down below for you guys. I did not finish filling it out. I just kind of filled out the things that I needed to do, and even then it's just, I still have to go back and fill it out because I did it. A lot of the other stuff is just in my Erin Condren, which I don't think I've mentioned on here, but I bought an Erin Condren. I will be doing a video on that sometime in the near future. But yes, this is what the spread is looking like. And then this is the first week of April. Okay, so for this week, I had been talking about using up my stash, blah, blah, blah. So I was looking through some of the supplies that I have, and I remembered that I have this book. This is a, it's like one of those scrapbook books, I guess, and I just put all my page kits in here. So I have like, I think it's mostly like happy planner page kits. Sorry, this, okay, it's not big. My space is too small. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I have all my Mambi page kits in here, and I think I have some other, are these all Mambi? Okay, so the Paper Studio. So anyway, I was looking through that, and I saw this page kit. This is the Botanicals Mambi kit. I don't remember if I got this from Hobby Lobby or Tuesday Morning, because I know sometimes Tuesday Morning has the page kits. So anyway, I just wanted to use this because it has florals and it's springtime now. Can I pull this out? Can I pull this out? All right, so here's the kit. It's more of a, it's a scrapbooking kit, so it's more about like memories and blah, blah, blah. But I thought I could use some of it for my spread. There was a sheet of paper in here that I saw, like these florals. I really like these florals. I know I'm never going to use like the full page, so I think I might cut them out. And then there's another floral page in here somewhere. These. Oh, there's multiple florals in here. Okay, so there are these. So yeah, I don't know which ones I'm going to use. I think I'm probably going to use these. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then anything else that I use, I'll try and like link the stuff that I use down in the description box. Alright, so for this week, it's actually my mom's birthday on Saturday. So that's like the main thing happening this week. I don't have any other exciting things going on. That's the biggest thing that's going on this week. I have a couple of things that I need to get done that I have been putting off, like getting my oil changed. I think that's been on my planner to-do list for like 3 weeks now. It's so bad. I need to go do that. And then what was the other thing I needed to do? Oh, and I need to order my contacts because I'm starting to have to wear my glasses now, and I don't like wearing my glasses, so yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to continue cutting this out and then figuring out where it's going to go on my page. Okay, so I think I really like the way these flowers look. So I'm going to take this sticker sheet and I'm just going to pull a few stickers from here. Not all of them because like I said, it's like for scrapbooking, memory keeping. So maybe I'll use this in my memory planner whenever I actually do it. Anyway, I think I'm going to take this long strip of washi and place it along the top of the page. Actually, first, before I put this tape on, I'm going to punch out some full boxes. So since I have a whole bunch of this sheet left, I think I'm going to cut the full boxes from this page. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out some sticker books because the teal on these full boxes is a little much, and I did want to put like a quote over it. I don't know how I feel about these little balls. They seemed like a good idea at the time, and now they just look kind of weird, so I don't know if we're gonna leave those there. But this is the student sticker book. I don't know what edition this is. I've had this since forever. I can't even tell you when I got it. But I see this, so I might put that like right here. So I might have to move this little ball. And then maybe move this. I don't know. Okay. Or maybe, I think I'll put it like that. Don't know if I like that, but we're gonna leave it like that for right now. The thing is that if this color was a different color, I think I would like it better. I think it's like blending in too much. So I'm gonna see if there's a different sticker that I can put in here from this book. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use some of these for bill dues. Oh, well, I just got one. Okay, so I think I might pull out some of these florals and put them, instead of the balls, put the florals on there. The only thing is that since these are like see-through, transparent, I guess, whatever you would call them, I don't know how well they're gonna look on the page. Yeah, that might not look good. Alright, so I think that's all that I'm going to add to the spread for right now. I still don't know how I feel about these little balls, but I'm just going to leave them like that. But I did want to mention I'm going to use this pen that I bought from Walmart, and I really like the way this pen writes. Well, not even the way it writes, it's just like a marker almost, and it kind of writes like a thicker Sharpie, but it doesn't bleed through. So I really, really like this. The funny thing about this is that this is made for little kids. So I saw these at Walmart a while ago. I don't even know if they have them. They might have them at other places, but I saw them at Walmart and I was intrigued, but I think they were like $15. I was like, I'm not going to pay $15 for pens that I don't need, you know? So I didn't get them, and then I went back and they were on sale. So it was like a big pack of these pens for $5, and then they had like a smaller pack for $2. So I did pick up both of them. I just don't know where the rest of the pack is. So this is the one that I've been using. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know in case y'all wanted to go out and get some. I really do like the way these write. If I can find them online, I'll link them down below. But they were on sale at my Walmart, so you can try checking your Walmart. But I'm just gonna write a couple things down and then we'll be done. All right, you guys, that is all that I'm going to do for today. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see the final spread. It's just Frivolous Francis. It's the same as my YouTube. If you're new and you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And even if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell too so that y'all don't ever miss a video. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!